One of the things that you should keep in mind while working with Captivate is labeling the objects. So for example, if I were to bring up a shape right here, so let's say I'm going to bring in this shape right here and drag it out. Now, if I were to go to the properties on over here on the right side, here it says it's a smart shape _2, which might be hard for us to remember if there are a lot of objects. So we can rename it to something sensible, which will be helpful in the future, something like paper, just like this. I can also do the same with text, captions, or entry boxes, or any of the objects right here. For example, let me bring in a text caption box right here, and here it says text caption. So I'm just going to say text, just like this, and then the label has been renamed. So it's much more simpler, as you can see right here. Let us go to fluid boxes over here as well and work around with the same. So I'm going to go for horizontal fluid boxes right here. So let's say I want 3 fluid boxes just like this. And instead of fluid box 1, I can rename this to simply box. And over here, I can go here and rename this to main content. And this is going to be center content. And maybe end content, just like this. And the ability to rename the labels for each of the objects gives us great control. So as I click on this, you can also see right here that it says box main content right over here, just like that. So if I were to click here, this is the paper, and the paper actually comes here over here as well. And same goes for this one as well. So you got this one and you got the test. Okay, so I'm just going to say text just like that. And as I click here, you get to see it right over here. So giving a useful name, a meaningful name also helps you to manage everything out and makes everything less confusing. And that is how you work around with labels inside of Adobe Captivate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.